Want to get the most juice out of your solar panels? So, here's the deal. Solar panels work best when they get direct sunlight without anything blocking it. That means clear, sunny days are your BFFs for max output. Springtime is actually killer for this because the sun is strong, but not blazing hot, which solar panels don't love as much. You want to set your panels at an angle that catches the most sun during the day, usually tilted toward the south if you're in the northern hemisphere. Keep those panels clean because dirt and dust block sunlight and drag down performance. Avoid shading from trees, buildings, or other stuff. Shadows are like kryptonite for solar power. If you live in the northeast US, May is prime time for solar energy, so expect your bills to drop during that month. Also, keep an eye on your system's output regularly so you can catch any dips early and fix them fast. One of the biggest goofs people make when dealing with solar panels is ignoring shading issues. Even a tiny shadow can seriously cut your power output, so trim those branches or move things around if you can. Another common mess-up is not cleaning the panels regularly. Dust and grime build up kill efficiency, so grab a hose or soft cloth every few months. Lastly, folks often set their panels at the wrong angle or don't adjust for seasonal changes, which means missing out on peak sunlight. Ask a pro or use a solar angle calculator to get it right. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you want to find reliable local contractors who really know their solar stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners looking to get work done, making life easier on both ends.